here for our trigonometric ratios for angles in special triangles. So in here, magsosolve lang tayo ng para malaman natin kung ano yung mga values dito. So first is the sine 30 degree. So alam naman natin yung formula, di ba? So towa so shakaw. So sine 30 degree. So saan dito yung 30? So dito. So nandito yung 30 degree. Okay? So dito ka mag-focus. Okay? Focus dito sa 30 degree. So the formula for sine is sine 30 degree equals opposite. So ano ang kanyang opposite? Is 1. Ano ang kanyang hypotenuse? Is 2. So therefore, our sine 30 degree is 1/2. So yan. So next is for the sine 45 degree. Okay, so sine 45. So nandito yung 45 natin or dito. So it depends. So pareho lang naman kasi if yung opposite ng 45 is 1 and then for opposite for 45 is 1 also. So for the sine 45 is opposite for sine 45. So the opposite here is 1 and then its hypotenuse is square root of 2. Okay? So as you can see here, our denominator is square root of 2, which is wrong. Okay? It is not right that our square root is in the denominator. So you're going to rationalize. So multiply by square root of 2. Okay, square root of 2. So the answer is square root of 2, and square root of 2 times square root of 2 is square root of 4. Square root of 4 is 2. So therefore, our sine 45 degree is square root of 2 over 2. Okay. So next is for the sine 60 degree. So sine 60 degree. So sine 60 degree. So opposite for the sine 60 degree. Opposite is square root of 3. Square root of 3. And its hypotenuse is 2. So the answer is square root of 3 over 2. So next, let's move on to cosine 30 degree. So cosine 30 degree. So wait lang. Raise ko muna natin. So for cosine is we have the formula cosine equals adjacent over hypotenuse. Okay? So for cosine is we have cosine 30 degree equals 30 degree. So dito po tayo mag-focus kay 30 degree. So ang opposite niya po is yung adjacent niya po is square root of 3. And its hypotenuse is 2. So the answer is square root of 3 over 2. So and then next naman is for the tangent 30 degree. So for tangent is we have tan 30 degree equals the opposite of 30 degree is 1. And then for its adjacent is square root of 3. So again, square root of 3 is in the denominator. So rationalize. So equals square root of 3 over 3. So square root of 3 times square root of 3 is square root of 9. Square root of 9 is 3. So therefore, the answer here is square root of 3 over 3. So next is for the cosecant 45 degree. So cosecant 45 degree is the formula is adjacent over hypotenuse. So 45, so here 45. So adjacent is square root of 2 over hypotenuse. Sorry po. So our cosecant 45 adjacent is 1 and hypotenuse is square root of 2. So rationalize. So equals square root of 2 over 2. So square root of 2 times square root of 2 is square root of 4. Square root of 4 is 2. So the answer is square root of 2 over 2. Okay. So next is for our tangent 45 degree. So our tangent 45, or its opposite is 1 and its adjacent is 1. So therefore 1. So 1. And then next is for the cosecant 60 degree. Cosecant 60 degree. So our cosecant is adjacent, so 60. So adjacent for 60 is 1 and its hypotenuse is 2. So you have the answer. So cosecant for 60 degree is, well, its adjacent is 1 and its hypotenuse is 2, so 1/2. So next is for the tangent 60 degree. For tangent is we have the opposite. So 60, so the opposite for 60 is square root of 3. And then for our adjacent is 1. So we have the answer square root of 3. So, dito naman tayo sa cosecant, secant, at cotangent. So, try nyo po solve dito po kung masasagot nyo. So, here is cosecant 30 degree is opposite, hypotenuse and opposite. So, 2 over 1 is 2. For cosecant 45 degree is the hypotenuse is square root of 2 and the opposite is 1, so square root of 2 over 1, so therefore square root of 2. Cosecant 60 degree, so 60, so hypotenuse is 2 over, hypotenuse is 2 and then its opposite is square root of 3. So adjacent is 2 and then opposite of square root of 3, so rationalize. So we have the answer for 2 square root of 3 over 3. For secant is, we have secant 30 degree, so 30 degree. So the formula for secant is hypotenuse 2 over adjacent is square root of 3. So rationalize. So 2 square root of 3 over 3. So 2 square root of 3 over 3. For the second 45 degree, so 45 degree. So for the 45 degree is hypotenuse square root of 2. And the adjacent is 1, so square root of 2. For the second 60 degree, so second 60 degree here. Second is hypotenuse 2 over 1, so 2. For the cotangent 30 degree, so cotangent 30 degree here. Its adjacent is square root of 3 over opposite 1, so square root of 3. For the cotangent 45 degree, so 45 degree. So adjacent is 1 and its opposite is 1, therefore 1. Cotangent 60 degree. Cotangent 60, its adjacent is 1 and its 1 and its opposite is square root of 3, so rationalize. So therefore square root of 3 over 3. So square root of 3 over 3. So, ganyan lang po mag-solve sa ating trigonometric ratio for angle and special angle. So, all you have to do is remember the formula, the SOHCAHTOA CHOSHCAHTOA, and then the triangle, the 45, 45, 90, and the 30, 60, 90 degree, as well as its sides. Okay? So, all you have to remember to solve this table is the triangle, side, and angle, and the formula SOHCAHTOA CHOSHCAHTOA. So, yan lang po ang inyong i-memorize. So, again, thank you for listening. If you have questions and clarifications, you can comment in the comment section. I hope you learned something in this video, and please don't forget to give a thumbs up and click that subscribe button.